Hello guys, we are trading again with binary Trinax indicator. You see, currently we have one signal. It is on M5 time frame, but I do not recommend M5 so much. It is working on M5, but it's maybe a little bit risky because it's too quick movements. So sometimes it can go in the wrong direction. But on M15 it works much better, especially on the higher time frames. Then it is fully not repainted arrows. You can use it on with all currency pairs, all time frame. Only M1 time frame is never to be used. It's nothing because the movements are so quick, unpredictable that no indicator can follow this. So this finished in the money. I want to show you today maybe more with M5. Here we have something with M5. Looking in the past is not good because here it would be a losing trade, but in the moment of the arrow we do not know what was here the situation. If the trend strength was down 70% minimum, we need always 70%, and if not, we wouldn't take it. So now we have, let's say, 80% uptrend strength. So if we get arrow now here, we would take it. So here up, if we have now this situation with 80% or 70 minimum, of course, as higher as better, we would take it. But if we had 50% or 60, we would not take it. So this is in the money. Here we are not in the money, but we wouldn't have taken it if we haven't this confirmed. This is in the money. So always you have to confirm the arrow with this simple one-step confirmation. Get the arrow, see if you have minimum 70% in the direction of the trade, and then you take one candle expiry. So we have currently one trade on 1 hour time frame, 3 minutes more. Of course, on higher time frames you will not have so many maybe signals, but if you do not want to stick every minute behind your computer, you can use 1 hour or 4 hour or daily. You see the daily charts. We have a current one trade. We are 12 hours left. So we are at the half of the trade. The trend is 80%, streaming to be 90. So maybe for forex trader or for people which doesn't have much time to look all day, these arrows you will getting at the open of the Asian session, Sydney. In my time, 11 p.m. So when the markets open, then you will get signals for daily charts, and then you have one day to watch or to wait for the results. So daily charts are very good. Of course, you must follow this because this trend is working now on daily charts. Here you see. So this would be in the money. This we have much time to wait. This is our hourly chart also. We would be in the money in 1 minute, more probably. So only take the signals when you have confirmation. Here you see here situation. This is fully not repainted not confirmed. You see 90% up, so we will never take this trade, never. So guys, always follow the rules, and you will have minimum, I said minimum 70% ratio, winning ratio. But in average 80% you can have trading, especially on higher time frames, 15 minutes or higher. I guarantee. This is not repainted arrows. I showed in many videos before. I proved switching the charts, everything. You will always have the same quantity and places of the arrows, always. GBP USD, we get a signal, and let's see. Oh. Now we get a signal, you see, for buy, and we do not have confirmation. This is not valid signal. If we have even 70% down, so we get Australian dollar. Yes, we have confirmation. This is confirmed signal. So this we can take. So let's follow this trade live. Now you have seen how to take a trade and how you have a valid trade and not valid trade. This is a valid trade. We have 80%. This is nothing. Up signal, buy signal, and we have downtrend 70%. So nothing. This is nothing. So now let's follow this trade until the end. So looking in past means something, but you never know what the trend situation, trend confirmation was here. So I'm sure that we never take this trade. But now you can see live how easy it is to use it. What are the rules? Simply we get arrow at the close and open of this in first few seconds. Just quickly check it here, 80%, streaming to 90, and take 5 minutes expiry. Very simple, not complicated for new traders, for experienced traders. Also here, you get signal here, but here you do not have any confirmation, so you will not take it. Of course, you must avoid, I haven't checked, because it's a demo trading, I haven't checked news. 30 minutes before or after, especially heavy impact news, you do not trade, because you will have maybe such big errors, big candles, which you cannot control or predict. Software cannot predict this. I'm sure that something was happening here. And we are still on this trade until we're waiting 2 minutes more until the expiry of our, I'm sure, winning trade. I remind you again that you can become a member of Binary Tools Club, in which you will have many benefits, from free indicators, extra advisors that I have, from special support, premium support. I can do the settings for you on your computer. I can help how to use my indicator. I can trade with you, let's say in the beginning, if you are not experienced user. I can show you the best tips, advices, many. The membership is valid for 1 year, and calculating the price, what you are getting, you will get only the indicators double worth than the membership. Only the indicators or extra advisors you will get, of your choice even, would be double minimum than you will pay for membership, plus all this support I mentioned. And also it's important to say I have my one previous customer which cannot at the moment become a member and wants that I make a settings on his computer. But now my prime time I will always make firstly anything for my members, and then after I satisfy my members, help them, then I can switch to other customers. Sorry, but my members are number one. They have advantage in every sense. So become a member, and you will be. You see how easy we want this. So please, if you don't believe how it works, we now have seen it live. How easy. It's still going down because of trend, but we need only one candle. So easily you would make here the winning trade. Of course, this one, you see, if I said it's not valid and you would not take it, but it's, of course, it's losing trade. Still 9 minutes until expiry, but it is a losing trade. So guys, as you can see, you can use it on all time frames, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, which I recommend, 30 minutes. You see we have one winner here and here. Daily chart, which expires in 11 hours. So this is the fantastic system strategy, believe me. As I said in my first video, it is not originally my system. My friend Mario was starting to develop it. I only finished some few things, but it's really fantastic idea. It's system which follows the trends, not general big trend, but small trend. You see, like this, changing in the trend up. So again, small changes of trend up on the daily chart, let's say, or here. So the software works very good, and I guarantee you 70 minimum percent winning ratio minimum, 80 even in average, like I have, just if you follow the rules. Just if you do not trade during the news, if you are patient, and if you enter only the valid trades. Believe me guys, this is a system which works fantastic. And think about joining the club, Binary Tools Club, with all the benefits I already mentioned. Guys, that would be all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.